Moment of truth. It's all hooked up. Bench power supply, the rails, the code. And here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Alright, here we go. Right. Right away. Right and left is spinning it the other ways. Right, it's going counter. Left, it's going right. So now I know this is part with my code. Let's see. We can get that working real quick. Or fix it right. It is working. See? So I'm thinking it's right here. Here's my code that does the direction right left. So I swapped them. I didn't do that on camera. I swapped them. So let's see if this gives it a go. All right, didn't break anything. Let's see. And yeah, there it is, right. There it is. This project is a go. I'm pretty confident I'm going to be able to do everything. So stay tuned. We will keep working. What I'm seeing is when I go right, it's nice and smooth. When I go left, well, it was stuttering. Yeah, there's a stutter. So I'm gonna have to fix that so it's smooth, and I think I just might need to clean up the power source. I don't know. I still have to keep working on it, but that is really neat. This project's gonna be really cool. Haha.